Is it a girl or is it a boy? Is it a girl? Is it a boy? Is it a girl? Is it a boy? Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So at Pigeon Point, doing beach things.
And guess what I'm doing?
They were doing this.
All the technology.
Somebody went Mount Everest and had a camera on them. And the video was showing it curved, and then people were in the comments saying, this is obviously a fish island. But it was a fish island.
Yeah, then go so.
Wouldn't you be able
Yeah.
to see the curvature from Mount Everest?
No, you can't. You could never just look and see the curvature of the earth. The only how you can see them, the only how you can actually see the curvature of the earth, if you go on flat water like this, like say flat like this, you go straight to St. Martin, and the place clear. I believe the best test you can do, if you go right by the water, like 5 foot above the water, put up a camera stand with like 100 times zoom, and zoom straight in as far as you can. If you can see St. Martin in the distance, zoom right in. And if you can see like a restaurant on the beach, you can look them up on Google Maps, see how the restaurants look.
I understand what you're saying.
And if you can see like people that sit down in that restaurant that pan the beach, and they know that restaurant only 20 foot,
But
then you know.
you have to do some calculation for that, something to find out how far.
Because all you need to do is find out how big them say the earth be, and then find out how much degrees of curve over like 1 mile.
Yeah.
So like over 40 miles, you're supposed to curve this much, 6 degrees or whatever. So and then if you were to draw a straight line, you would go like that. So that angle there, that is how much degrees you try. So if like this amount of degrees, you're supposed to have an amount of feet. So you're not supposed to see anything beneath the top of that restaurant. So if you look from that camera there, that real zoomed in, the only thing you're supposed to there see are like whatever pan top of that restaurant there.
See the fire burning your eyes, emotions running so high, to the point you got my body trembling. Hey, I'm mystified by love, never thought it would manifest itself into reality. And every time we touch, the heavens open up and we drift away, connected energy. Hey, say you want to push I love, why Allah say you took I love. You know the stress to put I love, you little looks I love, and it's just written in the book of love. Yeah, say you want to push I love, why Allah say you took I love. You know the stress to put I love, you little looks I love, and it's just written in the book of love.
The water looks so clear there. Can't see it. Oh, look how clear this water is. I can see fish. And this big weird pipe. I went to the hospital and they were telling me some stuff like my belly was measuring small, they sent me for it, measures ultrasound, and all these things. But it wasn't what they thought, because I'm kind of tall. My belly, and I'm slim, so my belly won't be measured like some people. So when I went to the ultrasound now. I was asking the lady if I could know the gender. And she say, she won't be looking for that, but if she see it, she will tell me. So she told me. Is it a girl or is it a boy? Is it a girl? Is it a boy? Is it a girl? Is it a boy? According to them. Because, you know, they said I was a boy. Ultrasound said I was a boy, but I turned out to be a girl. But the ultrasound said it's a girl. Yeah. They say it's a girl. I already have 3 names that I chose. See, these are the new board and them. This is the old one. Before a time, there'd be like 3 missing and you'd have to jump over. Going to enjoy and lie down for the rest of this. So, peace. And thanks for watching. And I'll see you in my next video.